Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I will be reviewing and unboxing the Oyeet blender and grinder, and these are what they look like. I love it so much because they're actually really good quality, and I had fun using them. So let's get into the two recipes that I make today, as well as showing you the product. So this company reached out to me and I decided, why not? Because first of all, it looks great on their Instagram and I was very interested. It does come with a 14-day weight loss smoothie plan as well as a muscle building plan, and this is what it looks like. So this is the cup. You can definitely take it on the go because it does have a top that, you close it and you can take it wherever you want with you, with your smoothies, your juice, your water. And I just really like it. So this is the base that you're going to blend on, which is also really good quality. And I was very impressed. So they also sent me a grinder, which I loved. It's actually made of glass, again, good quality. And I'm going to use it today to grind some vegetables that's going to go down in the vegan dish that I'm making. And here we are. I have some chickpeas, some Caribbean sweet potatoes, some fairy tale squash, tomato, ginger, garlic, onions, peppers. I'm using my Spicy Girl, of course, to season this up. I'm also going to use coconut milk. Use a can if you have it available to you. So to the grinder, I'm going to add some of the vegetables because I'm kind of sort of going to use this to help thicken the sauce. So I'm gonna put just a few in there. I'm not gonna put too much. This is my first time using it. I don't know the actual strength of it yet, so we're gonna find everything out as we move along in the video. So to my surprise, I did have to shake it a little bit, but after a while it did go. I added no liquid to this and it completely pulverized it. So onto the curry, I'm going to add some coconut oil to my skillet just like this. I'm also going to add my curry powder and I'm going to mix this up. I'm basically blooming the curry powder and burning it. I'm also going to add my own spice, mix this up and cook it out for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I added the vegetables, regrinded in the grinder. And I'm just going to mix that up, add the peppers, garlic, ginger, and onion, mix that up and allow it to cook another 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to add my coconut milk. I added about a cup, but remember all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. If you're watching this from Instagram, make sure you click the link in my description, in my bio, to watch this video and check out the description box. I added a little water and some salt for taste. Now I'm going to add my chickpeas and my sweet potatoes because those take longer to cook. I like to tenderize my chickpeas, that's why I put it first. And I'm going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes before I add the fairy tale squash. Alright, so after about 10 to 12 minutes, I added my fairy tale squash and my fresh thyme, and I'm going to allow this to cook another 10 minutes or so. So after that, this is what it looks like. I decided to test it by using a fork. Once it's tender, it's done. And that's the potato. So once it was done, I added a handful of cilantro and scallions and my Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. You need that sauce, you need that heat. And one good mix and just let it reduce for another 1 minute and it's pretty much done. It was so delicious, you guys. I did not miss the meat at all. And this is one of those dishes that I'm probably gonna make again. So I'm gonna plate it up, let you guys see what it looks like, and then I'm going to move on to making this drink. Next, I'm going to make a SourSop Limeade frozen, and this is my SourSop pulp that I got from the supermarket. In the back, I have limes, water, and honey, and that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to add some ice to my hand blender, just like this, some of the SourSop pulp down in there. It can hold quite a bit. This blender is mostly for single use, but it's the perfect amount. You're also going to add some lime juice, just like I did. I like mine's tart, so I added 2. And some honey and a little water. And close it, and just going to blend it. I just, like I said, you know, I just really love the quality of the product. Y'all know I love me a frozen glass. I had this glass sitting in the freezer while I was blending my drink, but look how consistent and well blended this drink is. And I only get this consistency when I use like a heavy duty, you know, expensive blender. And this is a handheld one. It's very powerful is what I'm getting at. The link to purchase is in my description box. Don't forget to use my code FOOD to get 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.